Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Uh, Today I will make a video again on the topic of that how we will get rich and billionaire. How God make billionaires to people. In the first video, I had forget some points, so I thought that I think that I should make a new version of that old video again, and I should make a better video again to teach you all about that how God will make you rich and a billionaire. Why is your not why your business is not growing, and what are the reasons that your business is not growing or you are not achieving success in your life. So the first point I have written that have you ever wondered that why some people born into rich families born into rich families because they have done so many good karmas in their past life, and they have done so many meditations. They had worship so God so much in their past life. They had spent meditation, and they had spent time in meditation and worship of God so much time. So that's why they always born into rich families, and they are very beautiful and very handsome. So karma is the reason, good karmas, and the time of to worship the God. They have spent time to worship the God, so that's why they born into rich families. And why some people born into poor family? Some people born into poor families because they have done so many bad karmas and sins in their past life. So that's why they born into poor families, and they also born with ugly face or ugly body. But the people who had done good karmas in their past life, they always born handsome, beautiful, and to rich families, and their body is very amazing and in better shape. And some people born with disabilities, with diseases, because they had done bad karmas and sins in their past life. And first of all, so the second point I have written that why some people get rich from poor. If you are poor right now, it does not mean that you cannot get rich. You can also become a billionaire. You can also become a billionaire, but you will have to start worshipping God every day for at least 2 hours. If you worship Jesus Christ or any prophet, you can put their pictures on the front of your while meditation, and you just have to spend the time in the front of their picture at least 1 hour in the morning and 1 hour in the night, or in the evening. Or if you want to chant the name of God, like Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, or Vaheguru, Allah, or God, you can repeatedly chant the name of God at least 2 hours in a day. This is how you will worship God, and you will meditation in the remembrance of the God. And if you will start doing good karmas in your life today, from today, you will become a billionaire, and your business will also grow easily, very easily. If your business is not growing right now, it means that you have not done any good karmas in your life, and you are not worshipping God, and you are not spending time at least 2 hours a day, time to worship the God. And and in the meditation of the god. So that's why your business is not growing. And you should also learn the skills and do hard work on your skills if you want to achieve success in your business. Whatever business you want to do, you should learn the skills of your business and do hard work to learn that skills. And you should do good karmas in your life, like if you can donate money to poor people who do not have food, and people who do not have clothes to buy clothes, and uh, poor people who cannot afford their hospital bills. You can give them donations for their diseases and medicines. And you can also, I have already told you that you should also worship God and spend time at least 2 hours a day to in the remembrance of God. And you should also help animals. If some animal is injured, you can help them to treat their injuries. And you can also take them, your any animal or poor people, any person, to the hospital to get treated. And you should also go to church, gurdwara, or mandir, temple, or I think Muslim, but say the masjid. You can give donations and in the masjid, and you can also give donations into the charity organizations, to the of blind people, or people, or other organizations who help to the all kinds of people, older people, or elder people, or people who and children. You can also help children who do not have parents, and the who live in first home, I think. So you can help them by your food, money, donations, and clothes, extra. And you should also stop fighting with the people. If you will fight with people, it will make your good sorry, it will make it bad karma in your life. If you are doing bad karma, your bad karma will come into your life after some days, after some years, or after some months. So if you are giving pain to someone emotionally or physically, if you are arguing with anyone, if you are fighting with anyone, it means that you are making a bad karma, you are doing a sin. And God will, and karma will, your bad karma will punish you in the future. Later or sooner, you will face failures in your businesses and in your life, and you will also face some kinds of diseases in your life. If you will hit someone or kill someone, you will also get hit or killed by someone in future, in some days or after some months. The rule of karma is universal, and it works for everyone. And you should also do not take drugs. I was also taking drugs, but right now I have leave the drugs. When I found my spiritual master, he teach me that how I can do meditation every day of God, and how I can treat my depression, anxiety with the meditation of God, and I do not need to take drugs or medicines to cure my anxiety or depression. Drugs and medicines will side effect on our body. They will harm our body for the long run. So that's why you should not take drugs and medicines. If you need a peace of mind, you should meditation of God every day, at least 2 hours in a day, So that's how you will keep your peace of mind naturally, and you will never need again medicines and drugs. And you should also do not eat animals, and you should not also kill animals. If you will kill animals like chickens, goats, sheep, cow, if you are eating the meat of any animal, it it means you are making your karma. And sooner or later, in this life or after this life, in next life, you will give the price of your bad karma in the form of pains. If you are killing some animals and eating some animals, you will also get it, or you will also get killed by someone in this life or next life, and you will also get some diseases in your life because of your sins. And if you will not stop doing sins and bad karmas, God will block your success. Your business will never grow according to you. So that's why, if you want to grow your business and you want to become rich and billionaire in your life, you should always do good karmas, and you should stop doing bad karmas. uh, Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji said that our earth is a land of karma. Karma is like a seed. If you will put a spice seed in this soil, in the land, you will get the fruits of spices from the earth, from the land. If you will put seeds of mangoes, apples, and grapes, you will receive the fruits of apple, grapes, banana, or mangoes from the seeds of mangoes, apples, and bananas. So same, the rule of karma is like a seed in our life. If you are bowing good seeds in your life, you will get good results in your life, in your future, and your business will skyrocket if you will do good karmas in your life. And if you will also do meditation of God every day, at least 2 hours a day. And if you will do bad karmas, fighting anyone, killing anyone, eating animals and killing animals, or anyone, argue with anyone, or saying bad words to anyone, God will block your success in your life. You will get diseases in your life, on your body, and you will also, your business will never grow if you will do bad karmas. So always you should the next point is do seva. Sikh people do seva in the gurdwara, in their temple. They always offer money donations in the gurdwara temple, and they also serve food, water, tea, sweets, and so many other things to the people. And they also offer donations to the gurdwara to help poor people, because the donations, gurdwara take the donations from people, and these donations they always go give to the poor people who need the money for their treatment, body treatment, for their diseases. And if they need money for their food, clothes, house, or their any kind of help, they can help. Gurdwaras always help with donations of people to the poor people. And in the end, I will say that you should also buy my spiritual ebook, the journey of the soul, of the soul's journey from birth to God and realization. I have given the link of my ebook in the description of this video, and in the pinned comment of this video, you can go to the link and buy my ebook. I do not ask for donations here on my channel. I do not need free money of people. If you want to support me, you can buy my ebook, and you can also learn so many, you can also learn so many things from my ebook about how to open third eye and how to connect your soul with God. So I do not take donations or free money from anyone, because it is a bad karma. If I will take a free money from anyone, God will punish me for taking free money from people. So that's why I do not take donations from people. And you can also buy trendy shoes and clothes for men, women, and kids on my herman22shop.com website. I have also given the link of my uh, shopping website. You can go and shop clothes, trendy clothes, and shoes for men and women and kids. And you can also go to my channel, this channel, and you can watch my all other videos for more important tips about God, spirituality, and how to make wealth in your life, how to become a billionaire, and so many important tips of successful life you can get from my all videos. And the main topic of my videos is about God and spirituality, how to connect with God, how to open third eye, how to get a peace of mind naturally, how to become successful in life, emotionally, financially, and physically, how to get successful, how to achieve success in our life, financially, physically, and emotionally. So this was my video about the billionaire mindset. And so if you like my video, please comment below in the comment sections. So, and if you have any questions, you can also comment in the video. I will answer your questions in my next video. So thank you guys for watching my whole video. I will meet you again in next video with the new topic about God and spirituality, and billionaire mindset. So till then, take care. Goodbye. God bless you all. Thank you very much.